Hello, my name is Keken Belendrawati. I'm from Masscom 21 Excellent. This is my journey to remember, which is an experiential UK study tour that we just got back from us yesterday. Nggak ada suaranya. So we were supposed to get to be at Warwick. Jangan di post. Oke. Malu. We were supposed to be here at 9, but there was an accident, so we killed the time by making TikTok videos. I took the rainforest rehabilitation seminar. We did a lot of sightseeing around Coventry Cathedral. And the next day we attended the tour. We could see inside of the where bentar, sorry. We went inside the building. We could see where the famous football players sat, rest, took a shower, and then we went to a graphic studio to do graffiti workshop, street art graffiti workshop. This is where we took the smartphone photography for workshop at the Trafalgar, and this is King's College London. And the last agenda was we went to Piccadilly Circus. I thought it was a circus show thing, but it was literally just a street. Cuma foto. This is the app design workshop. I think everyone loves it because of the mentor. Made it fun. This is inside the design museum. This is where we did campus tour on UCL. And this is the last workshop we attended. This is my favorite one because I wanted to be a spy and it kind of coherence. Yeah. There's Millennium. I am really thankful because I joined the Experiential UK study tour, not only because the experience, but I actually really like each one of you guys. You made it all really fun. I want to thank Miss G and Kak Rafli and Kak Steph for keeping us safe. I'm going to miss you all so much. Thank you. Impactnya, I think I became a little bit more independent and a lot of walking. Udah.